Good morning, students. In our last session, we have started how to find LCM. From that, how to calculate LCM by horizontal method we have seen already. Now today we will learn about vertical method. So consider first example 18 and 30. Their LCM we have to find by vertical method. So for that what we have to do, see arrangement. Write both the numbers like this and simultaneously we have to find their prime factors. So see, at the unit place of both numbers, here is 8 and here is 0. So both are divisible by 2. So for both this number we can write here 2. Now below 18 what should be written? 18 divided by 2. It will be 2 ones are 2, 2 9s are 18. So here it will be 9. Below 30 what should be written? 30 divided by 2. It will be 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 will remain 5. So it will be 15. Now see what we have to do. After completing this step, here so carefully see what we have to do to find LCM. LCM will be written as, here whatever numbers will be there that are common numbers, and here you will get uncommon numbers. So LCM is the product of common numbers and uncommon numbers. So simply we have to write 2 into 9 into 15. Again you will think here 3 we can take common. So by that also we will go. Suppose here 3 we will write. So here what will be written? Below 9. 9 divided by 3 it will be 3. And below 15 what should be written? 15 divided by 3 it will be 5. Now after this any common numbers we can't write. So these are the common numbers in both the numbers and these are uncommon numbers. So multiplication of this into this is nothing but LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So it will be 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 18 5s are 90. So their LCM will be 90. Next example is 16, 28 and 40. For that write numbers 16, 28 and 40. So we will start with 2 because at the unit place 6, 8, 0 is present. So 2. Below 16 what should be written? 16 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So here it will be 8. Below 28 what should be written? 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. This will be 4. So here will be 14. Below 40 what should be written? 40 divided by 2. It will be 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. So here will be 20. Again if you will see, all these numbers are divisible by 2. So for them we can take 2 as a common factor. Below 8 what should be written? 8 divided by 2 it will be 4. Now below 14 what should be written? 14 divided by 2 it will be 7. And below 20 divided by 2 this will be 1, 0, 10. Now after this see, here 7 is prime number. So just remaining both numbers we will see, this is 4 and 10. So these numbers are divisible by 2. So for them we will take 2. Now how to write? See that. Below 4 what should be written? 4 divided by 2 it will be 2. So below 4 we will write 2. But 7 is not divisible by 2. So what to do? 7 as it is right. And below 10 what should be written? 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So here will be 5. Now if we will see this step, 2 is prime, 7 is prime and 5 is prime. So after this, common numbers we can't take. So whatever common factors are there, they are here. And here all prime factors are there. So when we will get this step, here all common numbers and here all prime numbers. That time we have to stop our procedure, and LCM will be just multiplication of this into this. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This 2, 4 and 7 into 5. So multiplication will be 560. Next example is 10, 15, 20. For that write all the numbers 10, 15 and 20. Start with 2. Can we start? Here is 0, here is 0. So for these two numbers, if we will take 2, what will be answers? Below 10, what should be written? 10 divided by 2, it will be 2 5s. So here will be 5. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So what we will do? 15 as it is. 20. Below 20, what should be written? 20 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. So here it will be 10. Now after this, for any two numbers, can we take two common number or 2 as a factor? No. So we will start with 3. Can we start with 3? No. Any two numbers are not divisible by 3. So we will check for 5. This number is divisible by 5. This also and this also. So we can take 5. So here what should be written? 5 divided by 5. It will be 1. 15 divided by 5. It will be 3. And 10 divided by 2. It will be, 10 divided by 5. It will be 2. Now after this see, 1 is not prime, not composite. 3 is prime, 2 is prime. So after this we can't proceed. And here are the common factors that will be multiplied by these prime factors. So LCM will be equal to 2 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 3. So it will be 60. Their LCM will be 60. Next example is 15, 45 and 105. For that write numbers 15, 45 and 105. Here at unit place everywhere 5 is present. So we can't start with 2. So we have to check for 3. This number is divisible by 3. For this 4 plus 5 9. This is also divisible by 3. 1 plus 0 plus 5 6. So this is also divisible by 3. We can take 3 for all numbers. Below 15 what should be written? 15 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So here will be 5. Next is 45. 45 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. First digit is 4. So 3 1s are we can take. 4 minus 3, 1 will remain. 1 5 15. So 3 5s are 15. Here will be 15. Now below 105. 105 divided by 3. First digit is 1. So we have to take 2 digits. Number is 10 now. 3 3s are we can take. 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So 15. This is 15. So 15 will be 3 5s are. So below this we will write 35. Now here if you will check, this is prime number. So it will not come in 3's table. It will only come in 5's table. So we will check for 5. This number is divisible by 5. This is also divisible by 5. So for all we will take 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. So here will be 3. Now below 35. 35 will be 35 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. So here will be 7. Now if you will check, here all are numbers such that prime factors we can't write. So multiplication of this into this will give us LCM. So LCM is equal to 3 into 5 into 1 into 3 into 7. So it will be 315. Next is 15, 30 and 90. 15 is not divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. So for both these numbers we can take 2. As 15 is not divisible by 2, 15 as it is. Below 30 what should be written? 30 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. This will be 1. 1 will be carry. 2 5s are 10. So here will be again 15. Below 90 what should be written? 90 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. This is 9. So 2 4s are we can take 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 0 10. 2 5s are 10. So here will be 45. After this, all numbers are not divisible by 2. So we will check for 3. This number is divisible by 3. This is also, and 4 plus 5 9. This is also divisible by 3. We can take 3 for all numbers. So 15 divided by 3, it will be 5. 15 divided by 3, it will be 5. 45 divided by 3. 45 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 will remain, 15. So 5s are. Again here it will be 15. Now 3 we can't take because here 2 times 5 is there. So we have to go for 5. 5 divided by 5 1. 5 divided by 5 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Now here all numbers are undivisible. So we can stop now and multiply these numbers with this. So LCM will be equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 5. That will be 90. So in this way, from exercise 13, I have covered first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth I have not solved. Sixth. So remaining 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 from question number 1 you have to solve in your notebook.